Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Alicia here and we are back with another video. In today's video we are going to be doing a DIY textured canvas art, which is super simple, super easy, especially if you're not an artistic person. I highly recommend you guys try this because honestly you can just go to town and it can look so amazing. So I highly recommend you guys try this. But yeah, if you just want to add a little bit of spice to your space, you know, add some art to your walls, you know, your walls just missing that, you know, that extra oomph. This is a super great way to add texture to your space, to add art, design, character to your space. So let's get into it. Why are dogs like this? I just spread down this canvas like sheet, like it was not meant for him, and now look at this. it. Here is our canvas art. I know you can only see half, but I'm going to show you some clips of the full thing. But here we have it. Woo! I love it. I think it's beautiful. Not only is it simple, it has a little bit of color, it has a lot of texture. Here is just the up close. So I don't know if you guys can see, but a lot of texture, a lot of, you know, spice. So this is definitely gonna make the space look spicy. But yeah, this is what we're working with. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed making it. I honestly feel like I'm just gonna stock up on canvases for whenever I feel inspired. We can just go to town and put some art up on our walls. So if you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys have any, you know, projects or anything that you'd want me to attempt to make. And thank you guys so much. Bye.